Do you do your Kegel exercises? Or do you know about your pelvic floor muscles? If you don't, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Malvika Appasani, cosmetic and functional gynecologist from Eternal Aesthetics, Hyderabad. So the pelvic floor muscle, also known as levator ani, is very important as it supports the uterus and also the urinary bladder which is in front of the uterus, and behind the motion, that is anal canal, that is rectum, passes through the muscle. So this muscle is supporting three organs. One is the bladder, one is the uterus, and one is the rectum. And within women it is more important because during pregnancies it does support the whole baby weight, and at the time of delivery through the muscle is what the baby is delivered. So this unseen pelvic floor muscle is not just important in female but also in males. This muscle not just helps in supporting the pregnancy, that is the baby weight, but also in maintaining urinary continence and also maintaining a proper sexual life. So there is lot of muscle wasting happening just with age. Compared to a younger woman to a postmenopausal woman, their pelvic floor muscle weakens. Not just this, even because of hormonal changes, bearing the weight of the baby during pregnancy, because of the trauma during delivery, and also some people because they are more prone for hernia or collagen deficiency, which is familial. All these factors cause weakening of the muscle. Not just these, even smoking, obesity, or dietary deficiencies also cause weakening of the muscle. So how to strengthen this very important muscle, the pelvic floor? It's very simple. Please start your Kegel exercises at a very young age so that you can save the muscle and keep the muscle strong little later. So along with doing pelvic floor strengthening Pilates or yoga, it's very important to continuously do it, and importantly post delivery pelvic floor rehabilitation. So for this we have an Emsella chair which will make us do 10,000 times Kegel in just 28 minutes. So please say goodbye to all your pelvic floor dysfunction issues and also to urinary leakage issues with your Emsella chair. If you find this info on pelvic floor interesting, please like, share and subscribe. And if you have furthermore doubts, please comment below so that we can revert back. And do not forget to press the bell icon for further notifications.